Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy your cocktail smoking board. What I've done is put 3 different types of wood together. We have a cherry, a hickory, and an oak, which I've indicated by burning the letters in. The oak is great for bourbons, brings out the barrel taste. Hickory we found works well with gin, and cherry adds a little bit of sweetness to your cocktail. I'll briefly show you what you need and how to make your cocktails by smoking them. So I use this propane torch. It might be a little overkill, but I had it for waxing my skis, so it works well for me. You can also go onto Amazon Home Depot for $15 to $20, buy a butane torch for the kitchen. It's used in soufflés or tiramisu, creme brulees. They work just as well. So what you want to do first thing, turn your vent fan on so you don't set off your fire alarm. You're going to light your torch and hold it to a spot near the middle of whatever flavor you want for 5-10 seconds. The goal is when you take the flame away, there should be 1 to 2 seconds of flame on the wood before it extinguishes. Don't worry, it's a hard wood. It's not going to ignite the board. It takes a lot of more energy than this torch can put into the wood to sustain the fire. There's 2 methods. One is smoking your glass. You're going to hold this in. When you remove it, you quickly want to put your glass over top of the flame. Hold it. You'll go away and make your cocktail in your shaker. And when you're ready to serve your drink, then you can take it off. That way the smoke really infuses on the glass and you get the flavor throughout the cocktail. I'll give it a brief demonstration here. So you saw there was a brief bit of flame after I shut off the torch, and I quickly trapped the rest of the smoke in the glass. I'd then go away, make my cocktail, shake it up, and when I was ready to serve it, then I would take it off the board. The smoke will actually stay in the glass for quite a long time, and then I would pour my cocktail in and enjoy it. That smoke will get coated on the glass and make the flavor last for the entire cocktail. The second way is to smoke wash your cocktail. This involves taking half of your Boston shaker, trapping the smoke with the other half of your Boston shaker, mixing your cocktail, and then shaking it with the smoke in it. We'll give a brief demonstration of that. So you trap it quickly. Again, that flame that lasts on the wood will not keep going. It is hardwood, it won't sustain a fire. I then go and mix my cocktail. When it was mixed, I take care to slowly move the top half over to the unshaken cocktail, trying not to let any of the smoke leave. I then go and shake it, and what this will do is infuse the smoke into the cocktail, and then I would be able to grab my glass and serve my cocktail. This creates a much more intense flavor, so beware, you might want to experiment. Check online for recipes, and I hope you enjoy your cocktail smoking board.